Alright, here is a quick tutorial on how to use the NOCO GB40 Boost Plus. If you're looking into portable battery jumpers and you haven't decided which one you want yet, hopefully this will help you change the mind. If you don't have one yet, I will leave the link for Amazon in the description. So these are great to have because not everyone has a professional grade battery charger like this. Even if you do, a lot of times your battery doesn't always die at home, so it's nice to have this. Comes this great little carrying case here. That's for jumping. And this is for charging here. Okay, so minus the jump features, which I'll get into, it also has other features like, for example, it has a flashlight. So you can, if you're even an emergency light, this way, if you're stranded and it's dark, you have something to help you out. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up, and then I'll show you. To begin, if you're nervous about hooking it up the wrong way, you don't have to be. Because right here, see, that is a square and that is a circle. So the end here only plugs in one way. Square to square, circle to circle. It won't go in unless you really force it, but I would not recommend that. Okay, getting hooked up is real easy. Black to negative, red to positive. And if you hook it up incorrectly, this little light will come on. It'll tell you it is not hooked up correctly. Okay, so it's kind of fail-safe. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And you see here, that's how you know it's now sending juice to the battery. Okay? We'll go ahead and get it started up. Then you can turn it off, disconnect your lines, and you're good to go. Okay, so we just did a jump. I have not put this back on the charger yet. Go ahead and turn it back on. As you can see, it's still showing full power. I probably barely used any power because my battery wasn't dead, but I wanted to show how it worked. Apparently this can be good for up to 10 jumps before it needs a charge. And although I believe it because it is pretty strong, once a month I still just go ahead and take it out of my vehicle and I throw it on the charger to make sure it's at full battery, because you always want to make sure that you have full battery on this. As far as charging, here you have USB out, USB in, and again, you can't mess this up because as you can see here, it has a small USB for the charging in and a larger USB for the charging out. And not only is this good for a flashlight in an emergency situation, jumping obviously, but also if you follow my channel, I shoot a lot of car shows, and usually on a lot of the bigger car shows my cell phone battery tends to die, so I will throw this in my backpack, and it can be my additional charger while I'm shooting a show. Not to mention too, here in Chattanooga we're about to have a pretty bad storm. We might lose power, so these are great to have if you're going to have a power outage at your house. You can charge your batteries, keep your devices running. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the charger now and say thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.